गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में एग्जाम्पल 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.4 and 9.5. These 5 examples we will discuss in this video. Okay. These examples are from chapter 9, that is force and laws of motion. Okay, now we will start from example 9.1. A constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg and time 2 seconds. It increases object's velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. 3 meter per second, that is initial velocity, and 7 meter per second, that is final velocity. Okay, find out the magnitude of force, means we have to apply the second law. The force is directly proportional to its rate of change of momentum. Now if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, okay, now the formula is F is equal to M, means change in momentum upon time. Okay, then you will write F is equal to change in momentum, that is mv minus mu. So you write mv then minus mu upon time interval. Then by simply putting the values you will get your answer. You can see here the formula is same. F is equal to mv minus mu upon time. Okay, or you can use this formula simply by putting the values. M is equal to 5, V is 7 and U is 3, then divided by 2 you will get 10 Newton. Now the question is, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 seconds, then what would be the final velocity of the object? So in first part you will get F. Okay, now the F is, what is the value of F? That is 10 Newton. Okay, so you write here F is equal to 10 Newton. Okay, and time is 5 seconds. The same formula again you will use. You have to find the final velocity and initial velocity, that is 3. Then you will use formula F is equal to mv minus mu upon time. Okay, then now you see F is given, that is 10 Newton, T is given 5 seconds, M is given also 5 seconds, again 5 seconds, M is given 5 kg and U is given 3 meter per second. Then by simply just do calculation and you will get your answer. You can find the final velocity. Now example 9.2, which would require a greater force, acceleration of 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, or a mass of 4 kg at 2 meter per second square. So you just find the force, the formula of force, that is ma. Okay, for first case m is 2 and a is 5, then you will get answer 10 Newton. For second case, F is equal to ma, that is 4 into 2, m into a, that is 6. In which case you are applying the more force? In first case 10 Newton. Okay, you see here 10 Newton and 8 Newton by using the formula F is equal to ma. So the object having mass 2 kg accelerating more would require a greater force. Now example 9.3, a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km per hour and takes 4 seconds time is given, initial velocity is given, stop means stop after applying brakes means V is also given, U given, T given. Okay, calculate force, then very easy, simply F is equal to the formula, you have to calculate the force now. F is equal to M V minus mu upon T. Now you see mass is 1000 kg, it is given. Okay, velocity is also given, final velocity, mass is given, that is 1000 kg, and initial velocity, that is 108 kilometer per hour. So you need to convert it into meter per second, and then time is given 4 seconds. By simply doing calculation you will get your answer. Plus only one thing you will do, to change 100 kilometer per hour into meter per second, 5 by 18. Okay, then 6 5 is 30, because here second is written, so we need to convert it into meter per second, then you will get final initial velocity 30 meter per second. Simply by just using these values you will get your answer. Okay, now example 9.4. A force of 5 Newton give a mass m1, gives a mass m1 and acceleration 10 meter per second. Means gives a mass m1 and an acceleration 10 meter per second square, and a mass m2 and acceleration of 20 meter per second square. Means there are two cases. What acceleration would it give it if both the masses were tied together? Both the masses were tied together, what acceleration will be? Means the formula will be F is equal to ma. Okay, means we have to calculate the mass, we have to calculate the acceleration if both the masses were tied. Means acceleration we have to find, in the formula become like F upon m. Now this is the m na, the total mass, here it is written the masses were combined, so the formula you will use F upon m. Okay, the value of F, that is 5 Newton. Okay, now you have to calculate the mass for the two objects, and then you write here. So how will you calculate the mass? Here F is given 5 Newton. Okay, and A is given 10 Newton. So you divide it, then first mass is 1 by half kg. Okay, separately I try to find, I will see you find. For first case na, F is 5 Newton. The formula is F is equal to ma, or simply for finding mass it becomes m is equal to F upon a. Okay, for first case it will 5 upon 10, it will give 1 by 2. This is the mass of first object, and the second object, the force is same na, 5 upon 20, then it becomes 1 by 4. This is the mass of another object. So total mass 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so you have to calculate the acceleration, that is F upon m. M is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Then you will calculate, you will get your answer. This is the example 9.4. Okay, in this na 0.5, how is it? It is written, I just told you 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, and 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. Okay, don't be confused here. The last example, that is 9.5 example. The velocity time graph, like this. Okay, the velocity time graph of a ball of mass 20 gram moving along a straight line on a long table, means mass is 20 gram. Okay, how much force does the table exert on the ball to bring it to rest? The velocity time graph na, so velocity you can see, initial velocity, that is 20, this is u, and final velocity, that is 0. So we have to find the force. What is the formula of force? Time is given or not? mv minus u upon t. Time is not given in the velocity time graph. Time is also given beta here. M into v minus u upon t, that is the formula. So what values are given here? You see, m, that is mass is given. Okay, velocity v, that is 0, and initial velocity, that is 20. And now upon time is given also. This is 1 to 10 na 10 seconds. Okay, then by simply using the values you just calculate and you will get your answers. Okay, now I explain these 5 questions, so 9 examples, 9.1 2 3 4 5. Okay, any problem better you will tell me, बिकॉज ना एक्चुअली मैं भी स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डर यूज करके आपको कोशिश करता हूँ मतलब समझाने की, तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. एक बार ये थोड़ा जो सेटअप वगैरह लाने के लिए जो बोर्ड्स वगैरह होते हैं, तब मैं ट्राई करूँगा बोर्ड पे वीडियो बनाने के लिए, तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा बिकॉज हमारे पास एक पूरा स्क्रीन होगा पढ़ाने के लिए. ओके, तो अभी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, थैंक यू. फिर भी आपको कुछ समझना है तो प्लीज़ मुझे बताना, कमेंट करना. ओके, थैंक यू.